Welcome to iBuild, the #1 company for concrete, tiled and laminate flooring installation in Marbella. A concrete floor is a great option for any type of home. It is durable, easy to clean and great to have in kitchens, bathrooms or basements. Concrete floors can be installed in virtually any room of your home, and it's easy to transform an old wood floor into a beautiful new concrete surface. Concrete flooring may also be attractive, simple and durable. This gives it the ability to withstand heavy foot traffic, as well as being a great option for areas where you want people to be able to move around freely. The installation of tiled flooring is more involved than other types of floors because the homeowner needs to account for such considerations as grout, what color or shade it should be, how thick it should be, whether it should have an adhesive backing or not, and how long it will take before you're able to walk on it again after installation is complete. However, this extra work pays off by transforming spaces into beautiful works of art with a timeless elegance that lasts for years. Laminate flooring is a type of flooring made from a thin, composite material. It is often used in residential and commercial applications because it can be put down over many types of subfloors, allowing for quick installation in a variety of different environments. Laminate flooring comes in many colors and styles with various levels of wear resistance. The advantages to laminate floors are easy installation, lower cost than most other products, eco-friendly production process, high-quality finish that looks like hardwood floors, wide range of colors, styles, and textures available to imitate different types of wood or stone. So, if you are looking for a professional team to create your dream floor, give iBuild Marbella a call today.